Hey, what's up guys? I do hope you are all having a great day. It's BJ back again with another video, and as you can see, we are back in the E46. So we're having a E46 video. Now today I am a bit under the weather, so this video might be a bit short. I apologize for that, but it's going to be a good one. The topic of today's video is going to be why the E46 has the making of a good first car. Alright, so reason number one why the E46 makes a good first car is that although they are a German luxury car, they're still really affordable. If you guys are in the car scene, in the BMW scene and all that, you guys might know that these cars are going up in value right now, but you can still find a good condition car that needs a little bit of work, but not that much. Maybe a couple hundred bucks worth of work. You can pick it up for about 2,500 to 3,500 bucks. This one in particular that I have, we purchased for about 1,500 bucks. It needed a front drive axle on the passenger side and a couple other things, which wasn't that bad. We got that, and it's been more than 5 years now, and we still have the car. Reason number two, although these cars are old, and yes, these are BMWs, they need more maintenance, they need more work, and they need more maintenance. These cars are very well documented online. So if you are a new car enthusiast and you are purchasing the E46 as your first car, you can pretty much find everything on how to do everything DIYs and all that online. Even I've done some, but the ones I've done, when I've been doing the repairs on this car, I first try and find it online, and usually there's plenty full of information on how to do stuff, what tools you need, how you need to do it, and there's step-by-step guides. You can even use a Haynes manual, but if you don't like to read those, it's very well documented online, every single version of this car, which means that you could do the majority of the maintenance. If not the more difficult stuff, you can do pretty much all of the maintenance by yourself with a few tools, a few ramps or a jack stand, and you can get the majority of the stuff done by yourself. So you save a lot from going to a mechanic, which will charge a arm and a leg, because it is a BMW. They'll just make the excuse that it's a BMW. It is difficulter to work on, which to be honest it is, but not that much, but not to the extent that they charge. So you can do pretty much all of the maintenance yourself because everything is documented online, and that'll help you save a few bucks. Reason number three, these cars come in very different forms, so there is a E46 for every single one of you. If you want an all-wheel drive, a rear-wheel drive, you want a convertible, a four-door sedan, coupe, or if you want a station wagon, they got all of that in the all-wheel drive and the rear-wheel drive versions. You can come in an automatic, come in a manual, so you can pick and choose what type fits your needs, fits your daily needs, and you can pretty much get one. If you're a college student and you need more space, you might want a wagon. If you're choosing it to drift or whatever, you might want a manual coupe or a manual sedan, but it's all up to you. And the E46 has all the E46 has all of the variations, so you can pretty much get the car that you want. And lastly, the reason number four, which ties into reason number two, that is very well documented, this car has a very large aftermarket support. So you can really make this car your own. You can go online, go on YouTube and type E46 builds. The majority of them are very different from one another. It has a large aftermarket support. There's many different companies that make parts for it. So you can really modify the car. If you are into modifying a car for better performance, for better looks, for better drivability, you can really fine-tune the car into what you want. Alright, and with that being said guys, these are my 4 reasons why I believe that the E46 is a very good first car. Leave your comments, your thoughts and opinions down below on what you guys think. Do you agree, do you disagree, and give reasons why. I would really love to hear all of it, and we can just talk about the E46 down there. Alright guys, I'm going to end today's video now. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. See ya.